Materials: window mesh, metal fiberglass, zip ties, electric tape, sticky tape, staples, gloves, metal cutting snips, pliers. Proceed to cut the mesh on the long side of the roll. Use your gloves if you are cutting the metal screen. Wrap the mesh around the tree, leaving about 4 folds to leave space between the tape and the mesh. Hold the mesh with zip ties. Leave the excess of the ties to lift the mesh. Measure and cut the sticky tape. Secure it with electric tape. Lower the metal mesh and is ready to trap. This installation reduces the possibility of harming other beneficial insects, small mammals, reptiles, birds, and bats that also climb or perch on trees. You may notice we did not use push pins. The reason is to avoid producing more wounds to our ornamental trees. If you are using the fiberglass mesh, use staples to create the folds to give the barrier its shape over the tape. Also, this type of trap is more efficient for nymphs since they have to walk or hop to get to the trees. Happy trapping!